1972 GMC K2500 4x4 pickup. Price, $29,950. Location, San Jose. The 1972 GMC K2500 4x4 is the kind of classic American truck that instantly grabs attention the moment it appears on screen. With its bold factory orange-red paint, aggressive stance, and legendary square body styling, this pickup represents the golden era of hard-working American trucks. Built during the final year of GMC's famous Action Line generation, this truck carries a design that enthusiasts still hunt for decades later. The heart of this beast is a powerful 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a rare 4-speed manual transmission. That combination delivers a raw driving experience that modern trucks simply cannot recreate. Every gear change feels mechanical and authentic, while the deep V8 rumble gives the truck a personality that turns heads everywhere it goes. Add in the 4x4 drivetrain, and this GMC becomes more than just a classic cruiser. It becomes a true off-road capable machine. The exterior design perfectly captures the tough and rugged attitude of 1970s American pickups. The chrome front bumper, diamond plate rear bumper, and massive 20-inch alloy wheels give the truck an aggressive yet timeless appearance. From every angle, the truck looks muscular, simple, and purpose-built. It's the kind of pickup that looks just as good parked at a car show as it does climbing through dirt trails and back roads. The interior stays true to its vintage roots with a clean and functional cabin layout. Bucket seats, a floor-mounted shifter, manual windows, and a classic 2-spoke steering will create a nostalgic atmosphere that transports you straight back to the early 70s. Even with its classic character, the addition of a JVC radio gives the truck a touch of modern convenience for cruising with music on long drives. The driving experience is where this GMC truly shines. Thanks to power steering and front disc brakes, the truck feels surprisingly manageable for a full-size vintage 4x4. The tall ride height gives it serious road presence, while the V8 engine provides enough torque to make every acceleration feel exciting. Whether driving through city streets or heading toward mountain trails, this truck delivers pure old-school American truck energy. The 1972 GMC K2500 4x4 is more than just transportation, it's a rolling piece of automotive history. As one of the last Action Line trucks ever produced before GMC redesigned the entire platform in 1973, this pickup has become increasingly collectible among enthusiasts worldwide. With its combination of V8 power, manual transmission, classic styling, and California heritage, this truck is exactly the kind of vintage machine that keeps collectors dreaming and viewers watching until the very end.